Hi, I'm Max Dilendorf, a crypto lawyer based in New York. Since 2019, I've been representing victims whose funds were stolen from US-based cryptocurrency exchanges in arbitration proceedings. Welcome to episode 9 of my series for victims of crypto theft. If you are planning to arbitrate a case against the US crypto exchange, it's first helpful to understand the fees involved. While many user agreements say that exchanges will cover most arbitration costs, that's not the full picture. Total expenses, especially in complex crypto cases, can easily exceed $50,000. Today, I will break down the typical arbitration fees and hidden costs you should plan before moving forward with your case. Let's take a closer look. In most consumer arbitration cases filed through American Arbitration Association or AAA, the exchange is required to cover the arbitration fees and general arbitration costs. That's good news. As the claimant, you're primarily responsible for a filing fee, which is currently capped at $225 under AAA arbitration rules. The filing fee is payable when you submit your arbitration demand, and it's not refundable. But don't stop here. Always review the cost-shifting language in the exchange's user agreement. Some contain clauses stating that the losing party must reimburse the winner's attorney's fees and arbitration expenses. While this is uncommon in consumer crypto cases, it's a real risk, especially if exchange tries to argue your claim is frivolous or outside of the scope of arbitration. Now, let's talk about additional expenses, which are often overlooked and where costs really add up. Crypto theft arbitrations are highly technical cybersecurity cases. And if your case moves past the early stages and toward the final evidentiary hearing, you may need expert witnesses, especially in cybersecurity and banking experts. These professionals charge anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000 for investigations, reports, and live testimony. If depositions are allowed, you will need to budget for court reporters and transcripts. Those alone can run between $1,000 and $5,000 per session. You may also incur costs for document production, printing fees, or travel if the arbitrator orders in-person sessions. In one of our cases, for example, an arbitrator ordered the entire docket to be printed for a final evidentiary hearing, where printing costs alone exceeded $7,500. On average, a fully contested arbitration involving expert witnesses, depositions, and the final evidentiary hearing can exceed $50,000 in hard costs, not including attorney's fees. As we discussed in earlier episodes, these cases can take 12 to 18 months to resolve, so expenses can accumulate over time. That's why budgeting and strategy are critical. A crypto attorney can help you evaluate if hiring an expert witness is necessary, if document discovery can be limited, or whether early settlement makes more sense in your particular situation. Understanding arbitration fees isn't just about filing fee, it's about seeing the full financial picture so you can make smart decisions from the start. If you need help understanding arbitration costs or structuring a case, reach out to a crypto attorney for guidance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in episode 10.